unlocking the power of quantum computing. In today's digital age, safeguarding sensitive information is paramount. As quantum computing advances, traditional encryption methods face unprecedented challenges. Enter QNU Labs, a pioneer in quantum cryptography solutions, ensuring your data remains secure in the post-quantum era. Introducing ARMOS, QNU Labs' state-of-the-art quantum key distribution (QKD) system. ARMOS leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to provide unconditional security for your critical data. By transmitting keys using randomly generated photons over a fiber optic cable, it ensures that any eavesdropping attempts are immediately detected, maintaining the integrity of your communications. TRAPO. Complementing ARMOS is TRAPO, our quantum random number generator, QRNG. TRAPO generates truly random numbers using a quantum source, enhancing security for encryption and various applications. This ensures that your cryptographic keys are unpredictable and robust against potential attacks. HODOS. To further fortify your defenses, QNU Labs offers HODOS, a post-quantum cryptography (PQC) solution. HODOS is based on NIST-selected mathematical functions, providing a quantum-resistant transport layer that seamlessly integrates with your existing infrastructure, ensuring long-term security as quantum computing evolves. QShield TRADEMARK platform. At the heart of our offerings lies the QShield TRADEMARK platform, the world's first integrated quantum technology platform. QShield TRADEMARK aggregates NIST-compliant PQC algorithms, patented QRNG technology, robust QKD, and versatile APIs into one cohesive system. This empowers your organization with secure connectivity, advanced encryption, and seamless file sharing, all driven by cutting-edge quantum technology. QNU Labs solutions are designed to meet the unique security needs of various industries, including finance, healthcare, telecommunications, and more. By adopting our quantum cryptography products, you proactively protect your data against current and future threats, ensuring a competitive advantage in the digital landscape. Conclusion. This vision of a city skyline infused with data streams shapes a smarter, more engaged urban experience. It's a blend of technology, community, and environmental consciousness, paving the way for future generations. Let's embrace this transformation and step into a world where data breathes life into our surroundings. Want to learn more? Visit our website www.xcellhost.cloud.